here with us Dr. T.K. Nagabhushan, who is the Registrar, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, our Chief Guest of the day. Dr. V. Krishnamurthy, Professor, Apollo Hospital, Chennai. Dr. S. Chandrasekhara, HOD Professor, Medical Director, Chandray, and Dr. V. Renuka, Medical Director and Chief Pathologist, Chandray.
Good morning. It's a great pleasure and honor for me to stand up amongst you. It's our fourth year. Year by year, we are gradually trying to grow as much as possible, trying to contribute as good or as best we can do to the society as well as to the field of rheumatology and immunology. In this occasion, this is a continuing medical education program which we are organizing today, and it's my great pleasure to invite Professor Dr. T.K. Nagabhushan, who is the chief guest of honor for today's function. Professor Dr. T.K. Nagabhushan was born on the great Martyrs' Day of 30th of January 1949. Completed his both MBBS and MD from Mysore Medical College. Of course, I am also proud to say that I completed my master's degree from the same college. He is now taking in charge of Registrar of Evaluation in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. He was Professor of Medicine at Bangalore Medical College and has credit of serving almost all the 4 government medical colleges which are there with us in Karnataka. I welcome you, sir. I really appreciate your effort in spite of your busy schedule. I really understand the amount of pressure, especially as a registrar in examination section. The lot of pressure will be there whether it's a Sunday or a Saturday. I appreciate your concern and being a part of our update today. Another guest, Professor Krishnamurthy. I know him very well from the time I entered the field of rheumatology. He, wherever and whenever we have interacted, we always interact on several of the issues. He is a rheumatologist in Chennai, and I appreciate your thing to join us. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our other speakers of the day, Professor Dr. Amit Agarwal, Dr. Ramesh, who is our consultant faculty, Dr. Sujit K. Rajan, I welcome you, sir, and Dr. Sridharan, who is our distinguished faculty in microbiology, and Dr. Rajan Samuel, principal of Mission College of Physiotherapy, and Lord Raj, assistant professor of Gautam College of Physiotherapy. And there are a lot of senior colleagues as well as junior colleagues and friends. I invite all of you to be a part of our program. I welcome you one and all. Thank you very much.
May I now request Dr. Renuka to present the annual report.
It gives me immense pleasure to give the annual report of this year. The year 2006 was a great year for Chandray, as you could expand in Chandray, which started off as a rheumatology immunology center with a small diagnostic lab, has now expanded well, and we have multiple centers or associated organizations into our from the rheumatology center. In January, we started off with a post-MD fellowship program in rheumatology, which is affiliated to the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. The candidate who has already started off is now going to complete very soon, and later under the agencies of Chandra Foundation, Nagratna Srikantat Paramedical College was started, which got approval from the Paramedical Board, Government of Karnataka, for the course in Diploma in Lab Technology and Diploma in X-ray Technology. To further the research activities in Chandra, ethical committee was established as per the ICMR guidelines, and this year I'm very proud to say we have 2 international publications, both of which have been well accepted and highly cited within 3 to 4 months of publications. And in Airakan, the presence was very well felt with 4 presentations being done from Chandra in this current academic year. Chandra Diagnostic Lab has expanded, and now we have established a molecular diagnostic lab in addition to the flow cytometry and the autoimmune lab which has been there, and infection immunology, allergy and pulmonology department and physiotherapy departments are also doing a great job. This year, as a part of our community service, we have started a free clinic, a free specialist clinic for patients in rheumatology, which is done on every Saturday. We have evolved a system so that we can identify the patients who are non-affordable, so we can give free treatment to these cases, and we request the doctors to make use of this facility, of course honestly, so that it can benefit the poor people. In addition, our camps are going on in full swing, the free arthritis camps, the allergy camp which we had, and the school, the adapted school that we have, all the services are being going on as usual. In all these activities, I sincerely appreciate the efforts of our faculty for the intellectual input and efforts, and also the management, administrative and technical staff who effectively execute the ideas which have been formulated for the progress of Chandra.